for you. And now Editage is bringing researcher life. And with that, you can hopefully save some time and improve your productivity, increase your chance of paper acceptance, which is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. That's one of the services they provide, staying on top of the latest research, learning from other successful researchers and things like that. So it's kind of an organic ecosystem of products and services that is curated for researchers around the globe and all stages of research and all types of designations and specialties. So I wanted to make you aware of those services, and now today's topic is going to be about manuscript acceptance and just pet peeves that might lead to manuscript rejection and how to avoid those. So here's our program today, and the purpose of the program is to focus on ways that you as authors can become informed about a journal's scope and their guidelines to ensure correct journal selection and targeting. We're going to talk some about that, to make sure that it matches your manuscript. So the emphasis is going to be on enhancing your interaction with the editor and your interaction with the online author information at each journal that you might select. And so I'm going to be highlighting some classic mistakes that authors make that you can avoid to enhance your chances for manuscript screening and favorable review. All right. So we have 4 very specific objectives we're going to talk about today. The first is we're going to discuss the importance of understanding the journal scope. It sounds obvious, but maybe not so much, and how you can target a journal for submission of your manuscript. Then we're going to identify some key areas of the author guidelines to understand, to make sure you have incorporated those into the manuscript. We're going to review the role of query letters as an important option to really optimize the match between the manuscript and the journal and ensure you have that match. And then we're going to spend some time talking about ways to avoid some common mistakes that people make throughout that whole process and when you're interacting with the editorial staff and the publication staff at a journal.